I'm Chris Carney Graham, and the topic I'm interested in is ABA and the treatment of psychological suffering. My interest is based on my own experiences with the connection between ADHD, anxiety, and depression. I was diagnosed with ADHD in my mid 40s, and my children also in their later high school years. I watched my children go through the same struggles I did when I was growing up, and it was heartbreaking. As a SPED teacher, I recognize this in my students as well. When I, look back on my childhood, adolescence, I now have a better understanding of the anxiety I was dealing with that whole time and why. Anxiety and depression and ADHD frequently exist together, but it's difficult to know which one is causing the other two. In my students, I see the lack of executive functioning skills common in people with ADHD and the struggles that come with that. I always feel like if I can teach them the behaviors that would help them with these skills, it would make such a difference. Medication can be helpful. It was in my case, and it helped my own kids, but it's not the final answer. Once you have the ability to focus, there's still the need to learn how to use it. Also, it's often the case that medication just isn't an option, and the only way to deal with all of this is behavior. ABA can be used effectively in treating people with mental health issues other than ADHD, anxiety, and depression as well, and I'm very interested in learning about those.